Hello, good morning to everyone. Today we will start our 11th question of exercise 5.2 dear. We have already finished dear question number 1 to 10 and 13 and 14 dear. But today we are going to start our 11th question. In this exercise dear, we need only one formula how to find the nth term of an AP. And everyone know what is the nth term formulas. Same, if you know only one formula, you can solve all the question. What is given in this question? Look at which term of the AP, it is an AP, will be 132 more than its 54th term, whose 132 is more than 54th term. So first we will find here 54th term. So look at, we will write A. How much A mean? First term A is 3. Common difference D. A2 minus A1. 15 minus 3 is equal to 12. Understand here? Now we will write, we know that we want to find 54th term. So an equal to a nth term formula, an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Which one term we want to want? We want to find 54. So put 54 in place of n. And a you know how much? A is 3 plus 54 minus 1 into d, 12. A 54 equal to 53 into 12. A 54 equal to 3 plus 12 3 ja 36, 12 5 ja 16. So what is A 54? So 54th term is 639 dear. But dear, we want to find a term which is more than 132, whose 54th term. So right, let nth term, any term you can take, n, x term, but we are taking every time n, that's why we are taking here n. Nth term is 130 more than 54th term. So what is it? Is nth term. A n is, suppose what term which is more than 132? Nth term. So a n, how much? 130 more mean plus, whose plus a 54 plus a 50. So a n equal to, and a 54 how much? 639 plus 132. It is a n equal to 9 plus 2 11, 7, 6 plus 7 8. So what is a n? But dear, it is the term of 800. So what is this term? 871. But we have to find which term. This term is which term of the AP will be more than 132 more than 50. So which is term? So it is 871. Understand here? Please note down it. Now we will do next question. So which is, this term is an equal to 871. But dear, we have to find which term, which number of terms. Suppose example 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Now if I ask you which term is 10, so first, second, third, fourth, fifth term, same as it is dear. This is the an equal to 871. So we have to find which one term. So an. So we have to find. So we will write an equal to 871. We will put in this formula. An is how much? 871 equal to a, because it is same AP, is an minus 1 into d, 12. Because we want to find n value now. Which term? 5th term, 6th term, 7th term, 8th term, 9th term or 10th term. So we want to find n value. A n value given 871. So 871 equal to 3 plus 12 into n, 12n minus 12. 871, 3 minus 12 minus 9 plus 12n. 9 another side positive. It is become 880. 12n divide. So it is become 12 is multiply here, another side become divide. It is become 12 7 ja. 12 7 ja. How much? 84 40. 12 7 ja. One time again. 9 plus 2 11 7. 6 plus 7 it is become 7, not it is 7 7. Okay dear, look at. So always do the calculation clear with carefully. Okay, so 780 divided by 12, how much? 12 6 ja. 12 6 ja. So what is 12 6 ja? 72 and 12. So how much? So this is term n equal to 65. So you will write 60. 5th term is 132 more than 54th term. Okay, you will write yourself. Okay, 65th term is 132 more than 54th term. Now dear 12th question. Two APs have the same common difference. So what is given? Two APs. We don't know what is this AP, but what is condition is given? Condition is that their common difference is same, and the difference between their 100th term. Difference between their 100th term is 100. So what is the difference between their 1000th term? So what is given here? Here is given two APs. If it is two APs is given, so it means their first terms must be different. Not be must be, because but here is given common difference is same, but there is a two AP. That's why so their first term should be different. Like this one, 2 4 6 8. It is first AP. Next is maybe 3 5. But one thing is given, the common difference is same. So 3 5 7. Every time difference is same or not? Common difference is same, but they are two different APs. But if you will take first term also same, then it is become same AP. They are not two APs. They are become only one APs. So whenever there is the two APs and common difference is same, so it means their first term is different. Understand? So we will write, let first AP. And everyone know whenever we write any APs, because here is given only two APs, so we will take a general AP. So what we will take? Let first AP A1 plus, otherwise you can take A. Okay, A plus D, A plus 2D. It is an AP or not? Because first term is A, and every time we are adding D. Okay, and second AP. What is second AP? B, because their common difference is same. That's why first term is different, but common difference is same, because common difference is same is already given. That's why common difference we are taking every time D. So B plus 2. It is also second AP. Now according to question, what is given? The difference between their 100th term. Understand? So first we will find 100th. So first you can write, we know that always we will write formula AN equal to A plus N minus into D. So we will write A 100. Okay, otherwise you can write 100th term of first AP. What is 100th term? In place of n is 100. A, here is also first term A, plus n is 100. 100 minus 1, 99. Understand? Same as it is second APs, dear. Understand? So here you can take in place of A is B. Okay, because first term is, so there is also, so we will write 100 term of second AP. What is B 100 equal to? Understand? What is A? What is the first term of second AP? B. B plus 99 D. Okay? Otherwise, direct you can write, no need to write A, no need to write 100th term of first AP like this. Direct A 100 equal to A plus 99 D, dear. Now, in the question is given the difference whose between their hundredths. So A 100 difference, 100th term minus second AP 100th term. Difference of their 100th term is 100. It is also 100. Understand, dear? Now we will write A 100 value A plus 99D bracket, and whenever negative sign and more than one term we will use bracket. B 100, how much B 100? B plus 99D equal to. Only, dear, in the question is given difference of their 100th term. So first we find 100th term of the both of the APs. We find 100th term of the both APs. Understand? Now you will solve it. So A plus 99D minus negative into positive, negative minus 99D equal to 100. 90D minus 90D 0. A minus B equal to 100 equal to first equation. Now we have to find what is difference between 1000 term. So we will find first A 1000. So A 1000 difference between their 1000th term. So 1000 term means first we will find what is 1000 term. So put n value 1000. A plus n is 1000. 1000 minus 1, 999 B. Same as it is second AP B. Second AP is B. In this form maybe A B plus B plus D. So 1000 term it is become B plus 99 into D. Same as it is become. Understand? But we want to find difference A 1000 minus B 1000 equal to A 1000 is A plus 99D bracket and minus B plus 99D. So equal to A plus 999D minus B minus 99 into negative into positive, negative, negative into positive, negative. This is cancelled. So we observe that A 1000 minus B 1000, A 1000 minus B 1000 equal to A minus B, A minus B, and everyone know A minus B from the first equation. A minus B equal to 100. So A in place of A minus B we can put 100. So what is? It is become the difference of the 1000th term is also 100. So what is the answer? It is 100. Understand, dear? Only, dear, you whatever is the given in the question, no need to confusion. We will whatever it is the given in the question, first we will find them. 2 APs, so we take 2 APs, because if there is the 2 AP, so their first term should be different. It is first term A, it is B. But their common difference is same, then we are taking every time D. So we difference of their 100th term. So first we find their 100th term and take their difference. Now we have to find what is difference 1000th term. So find a 1000 using of this formula. This formula is very important. So 1000th term a 1000, a plus 1000 minus 1 990. Now put b 1000 same as it is. So note down is dear, very simple question. Now dear, next question 15. For what value of n the nth term of two APs? There is a two APs is given. For what value of n nth term of two APs, first AP and second AP equal. What is equal? Nth term. So first dear, we will find nth term of both APs. What? Because in the question is given nth term is equal. What value of n? Maybe 5th term, maybe 6th term, maybe 10th term are equal. So what is n? So it is first AP, it is second AP. A, D we find. So we will use formula. We know that this formula. What is, which term is equal? Nth term. Whatever given in the question, we will use it. Nth term. So first we will find nth term of the nth term of first AP. 63 plus n minus 1 into d. 2. So it is become first equation. Same as it is here, we will find nth term of the second AP. It is first equation, it is second equation. But in the question is given what value of n, then APs are become equal. So therefore from equation 1 and 2 we have to make APs are nth term is equal. So that's why we put nth term of the first AP and nth term of the second AP are equal and find the n value from here. Okay, like term right one side and another on another side. So we will find from here n, and from here n will come 13. So which nth term? So n. So 13th term of that these two APs are equal. Understand? So please do it yourself. Note down it. Now question number 16. This type of the question we have already finished also dear. But look at again. Determine the AP. If you want to find any AP, so what we need? We need first term and common difference. So we will find A and D. Whose third term is 16. So first we will use this formula. We know that nth term formula an equal to a plus n minus 2d. Which one term? Which one term is 16? Third. So a3. So a3 is a plus 2d. And this a3 is how much? Is 16. So a plus 2d equal to 16. Because it is third term and third term is 16. Next is 7th term exceeds. Exceeds mean more. More the 5th term how much? 12. It means difference of 7 minus 5th term is 12. So first we find A7 term. A7 is A plus 7 minus 1 6D. A5 A plus 4D. A7 minus A5 12. From here you can find D is 6. Put D equal to 6 in equation 1. You can find A value. A will come 6 to the 12. A will come 4. So you will write in last line AP is 4. First term is 4. D is 6. 4 plus 6 10. 10 plus 6 16. 22 and dot dot. It is your answer. Note down it. Very simple question dear. Now all the question I will only give you hint. You have to do yourself. Now dear 17th question. What is given? Find the 20th term. What is 20th term? From the last term of the AP. We have to find a n equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. We have to find 20. But dear, in this question is given, we have to find 20th term from the last term. What is? Look at just an example. Don't every time you have to remember, dear, whenever in the question is given last term, so it is not same as it is we are counting from the starting. It is different. What is? Suppose it is an example. It is an AP 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. If I ask you what is the fifth term, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So fifth term is 10. But if I ask you fifth term from last, so what is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So last from the last is 6. So we cannot find 820. But dear, can I reverse this AP? Can I write 14 first? 14, 12, 10, 8, 6, 4. Can I reverse? Yes. Now count the fifth term from last. So it's mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you can count from here also, starting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's mean if we reverse the order and we can count 820. Understand? So we will write reverse order of AP 253 ... 13, 8 and 3. Understand, dear? Now we will write what is A. A mean now first term is 253. Now D value, and D value how to find? We will take any two continuous term, any two, these two or these two you can take. So it is what we will write, always first, second, third, fourth. So we will write 3 minus 8. Don't write 8 minus 3. Always we will write succeeding term minus preceding. 3 minus 8, it is minus 5. Now you can find A20 in place of N is 20. A is 253, dear, plus N 20 minus 1 into D minus 5. So you can find yourself. So solve this question also yourself, dear. It is very easy question. Find it yourself. Now, dear, 18th question. What is given? The sum of fourth and eighth term of an AP is 24. It means sum of A4 plus A8 is how much? 24. And we will write first, we know that, and the formula we will write. Then for A4 plus A8. A4 means A plus 3D. A8 means A plus 7D equal to 24. So we will add A plus A, 2A. 3D plus 7D, 10D equal to 24. It is become equation number 1. Same as it is. Next is sum of fourth and 10th term. A6 plus A10 equal to 44. Same as it is, we will write A plus 5D plus A plus 9D. We will find equal to 44. It is second equation, and both of the equation number 1 and 2 in two variable A and D, and we want to solve. Find the first three terms of an AP. If you want to make any AP, we need A and D. A and D, find value from equation 1 and 2. Same as it is question. We have already finished many questions in chapter number 3. Note down it, dear, and try to yourself. Now, dear, 19th question. It is very easy question. No need to be confused, dear. If you understand the statement of the question. What is given? Subba Rao started work in 1995. Subba Rao started a work in 1995 at an annual salary. Annual salary, how much she is getting? She is getting 5,000. How much she was getting? 5,000, and receive an increment of 200 each year. Every year his salary is increased 200 rupees. So in which year did his income reach 7,000? It's very simple, dear. Suppose she started a job with 5,000 and after 1 year his salary is 5,200. Next year 5,400, because every year increment is 200 rupees. Next year 5,600. Next is 5,800. Next is 6,000, and like this one. Examiner want to ask in which year his income reach 7,000, after how many years. So same as it is question. If I ask you 2, 4, 6 ... the 10th is which term? 2, 4, 6, 8. First term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term. So AN. So AN is given 10. Same as it is AN given 7,000. We want to find N value. So let A is 5,000. Started his job. D is 200. We know that this formula. And now put the value 7,500. It means 200N minus 200. 5,000 minus 2. 4800. 4800. Another side negative 200N. 200N dear, it is become 2200. So 20 cancel 20. 2 another side divide. So N equal to 11. So N11 mean after 11 years his income will be, because 5,200 become after 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 year, 5 year, 6 year, 7 year, like this one. So his income 7,000 will be in, she started with in 995 plus 11, how much in 2006, or you can say that after 11 years. You can do yourself also this question, very simple question. 505200, next is 58, next is 662, 64, 66, 68, and it is 7,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It is very simple. Only you have to understand the question statement, whether it is become an AP or not. Understand dear? Now note down it dear. Last question remain. Last question of this exercise. Ramkali save 5 rupees in the first week of a year, and then increase her weekly saving by 1.75 rupees. If in the nth week her saving is 20 rupees something, find N. It is question is same as it is 19th question. It is suppose very simple question. Every year you are supposing 10 rupees and your saving is increased every year 5 rupees. So 10, 5, 20, 25 and ... and in last it is 100, and your saving is become 100 rupees. Now I ask you, in which year your saving will become 100? Same as it is, in place of 100 here is 20.75. So we have to find value, and it is very simple formula. A value, it is starting from 5 rupees. Every year increasing 1.75. It means D. Every time increase 1.75. Formula. AN, in the last, if the nth week, it is become 20.75. 5 plus N minus 1 into D. We have to find value of N. Solve it yourself. It is your answer. Okay. Very simple question dear. All the questions are very simple. If you know only this formula in this exercise, you should know what is N, what is AN, what is A, what is D. Understand? And your homework is that you have to do example 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Also you have to do in your notebook also. Okay dear? So thank you everyone. Have a good day.